In this video, I will show you exactly how to edit your Netlify website using the most efficient and standard workflow available today. One of the best features of Netlify is how it continuously listens to your repository, which means that any changes you push to your source code will automatically trigger a new deployment to your live site. To get started, you first need to locate your project files. You can do this by opening your local folder in a code editor like Visual Studio Code, or you can go directly to your repository on GitHub if you prefer making small changes through the web interface. Once you have your files open, it is time to make your edits. You can modify your HTML structure, update your styling with CSS, tweak your logic with JavaScript, or even just update content files like Markdown. After you are satisfied with the changes you have made, make sure to save your work locally. The next important step is to commit those changes to your version control system. This step is vital because Netlify only reacts to pushed revisions. Open your terminal or use your Git desktop app to stage your files and write a descriptive commit message. Finally, push those updates to your deployment branch, which is typically your main or master branch. As soon as that push finishes, Netlify will detect the new code and start building the updated version of your site in the background. In just a few moments, your live website will reflect every single change you made without any manual uploading or complicated setup required. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.